Hello.
Go find the toilet displays, have him sit on one, and sit there and do.
Just go down there and do it. Oh, come on, dude. That's uncool. Dude, Cole, right past real quick. Oh, that was wet. Oh. Oh, that's rancid. Hey, do it. Let's see it. Is that about as long as it is? Okay. We're all just randomly in a shed at Walmart. Hey! What yo? Police car. Hey Cole. We're about to get kicked out of Walmart.
No.
Go to me. Go to me.
I can't hula hoop. Who me?
Alright. Randy, throw it to me. Randy, throw it to me. Shit, we lost it.
This one's in the mouth.
Sorry.
Look at this one. Look at this one, Jack.
Okay.
Oh! Alright, where'd that go?
Right there. Throw it. Throw it.
I was looking at Legos.
Throw it. Throw it. Removable clothes. Oh, yeah. Bounce it to
The
highest.
ceiling.
Bounce it. Highest. You just hit everything. Bounce it. Bounce it down. Throw it down.
Dude, there's a.
Throw it. Cole.
Dude, Zach, come on.
Alright.
Bounce it.
Zach.
Yeah.
Where's Randy?
I found a bong. Bong. Let's go fuck around. Randy. Run. Push Randy. Cool, get on it. Cool, get on it. I got video of it too.
Son of a bitch! The fuck?
Chase them, run. You need what?
Just some extra room. Dude, Zach. Better one.
No, I'm good.
My size. I have a question.
What is it, Cole?
Your mom.
Hey Cole, I found your ideal mate.
We found our balls, now we found our rock. I don't think we're supposed to go in here. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Is this where McDonald's is?
McDonald's? McDonald's?
Every girl's fantasy.
A magical vibrator. Oh yeah. Did you guys see those guys chasing each other?
Beverly. Get to. Are you taking? Congratulations. You're America's next winner.
You are the 100th customer at that booth.
Dude, show definitely that video of me.
We just turned all the music on in this store. Just drop it. Just drop it.
It's not that heavy, drop.
Oh, oh man. It was nap time, everybody.
Zach, let's go.
Let's go. We need our baby diapers for our adopted kid. Joel needs them. Okay, so now we're at PetSmart. We're gonna buy us a pet. Let's go look at all the pussy in here. Where we going, Randy? Randy, throw a penny up over the aisle. Throw it. Do it. Ow! Okay, so I just took a penny and I threw it and I broke a bunch of glass fish tanks. Oh shit! We're about to get ourselves fucking killed.
I'm not sure.
Okay, we just about got in a fight with the guy.
Hey, roll down the windows.
Randy, I swear to God, the second they go, peel out of here.
Where are they?
Randy, you peel the fuck out of there the second they come at us.
No.
Yes, dude, they can
We're in
fucking.
the fucking locker. Where are they?
I'll just call 911 if it goes too bad.
Dude, just fucking go.
Stop, Jake. You guys
Where
are
are they?
fucking chicken shit. Oh, Randy,
Say
hold on.
goodbye,
Let's stay right
princess.
here. Let's walk in there.
No,
and say bye.
fucking don't do that.
Where are they?
I
I
don't
don't
run
even
in
see
there. Say
them.
bye, guy in the orange.
Bye, douchebag.
No.
No, Randy, stop. Randy.
Cole, say bye, fuckface.
I gotta pee.
Yeah,
No.